Hello everyone, my name is Ali Ibtisam, just a tech guy from Pakistan studying data science in Malaysia. What if I told you that there is a program that will fly you to Canada, gives you health insurance, pay for your housing, your flight tickets, and put you in a research lab where you can do an 3 weeks internship? Sounds too good to be true. So let's tell you about Mitacs Globalink Canada Research Internship Program. It's a program that will put you in a research lab in Canada in across one of the 70 universities, and you can live there, get a housing stipend. Today in this video I will tell you how it works, who is eligible, and how you can apply for it. So, what exactly is Globalink Research Internship? It is a 12-week, fully funded research internship in Canada open to undergrad students from a specific list of countries. You will be put under a Canadian university professor alongside grad students and research students, where you can do the research from even computer science to social sciences or even humanities. It runs from May to October, but you will need to be available for consecutive 3 weeks between May and July 1st. Now the question is, who is eligible? So first you need to be 18 years old. Then you should be enrolled in an undergraduate degree program or combined master degree program. Now after that you should have completed at least 2 years of undergraduate degree. You should have at least 1 to 3 semesters left in the completion of your degree. Also, you should also know the language in which you are going to do the research, for English or either the French. Also, this program is available for a list of specific countries, so you can check out the website for the specific eligibility. Okay, so now let's talk money, because this is where the really GRI stands out. First, you get a monthly stipend for your food and other expenses. Then you also get a round trip airfare contribution for your airfare for your flight. And then you also get contribution for your transportation from airport to your accommodation. You also get housing stipend, and also you will also get a full health insurance for even for emergency cases as well. So this is not just a funding or an opportunity. This is an environment that's built around you. You will also get professional courses access and industry event access. Lastly, the funding depends on your country, so you can check out the website for more information. Now the question comes, how do you apply? So you can just apply using the Mitacs Globalink student platform, and you can choose between 3 to 10 projects, but here's the condition. You should choose each project in different province of Canada. So don't just choose each one in Ontario or Toronto. And you will need these four documents mainly to apply. So the first one is your passport, but you can also apply using birth certificate or CNIC, but later you will need to add the details. Secondly, you need an updated CV. And thirdly, you also need your transcripts. And the last one is your English proficiency certificate or the French language one if you are applying for the French language research project. You also need another document that is transcript from your university professor. So you can just apply using this. Now, here's the part you cannot afford to miss, because the deadline is 16 September 2026. So you can start pulling your transcripts and English proficiency letter and also the passport, and don't apply late, because late applications are not accepted. If it feels like this opportunity that you have been waiting for, just go for it. So if this video helped you, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. And also tell me in the comments in which country you are applying for. Good luck, future Canadian researcher.